I'll be trying Howling Cow Cherry Brick Road. This is the ice cream of North Carolina State University. Let's see, what does it say up here? You can pause and read it. Alright, and let me pause and get this scooped up. Alright, I was totally surprised. I had no idea that this was going to be chocolate ice cream. It says Cherry Brick Road. Let me back to scooping. Alright, it looks interesting. I see that must be cherries. Looks like cherries, and I don't know, maybe it's maybe a marshmallow cream swirl? Guess we'll find out. And of course, chocolate ice cream. I wonder if it's dark chocolate. Well, when I see this swirl of stuff, let me see if I can get to it. See what it is. Oops, there's a cherry. Well, that was a big chunk of chocolate. Maybe this is a cherry. That's a cherry. Okay. Oops, did I drip something? Ugh. What a slob. Alright, clean up a little bit here. Well, it seems to be dark chocolate ice cream. I'm trying to get to these swirls of white I see. Oh, there we go again. Jeez. Just a big mess tonight. Big chunks of chocolate in here. Well, I'm just guessing that this white swirl I'm seeing is probably marshmallow. I wish I could find a nice big vein of it. There's plenty of stuff in here though. Plenty of chocolate, big chocolate chunks, plenty of cherries. I made a mess, enough of a mess here. Oh, this one's pretty good. I was not expecting chocolate though, because there's nowhere around here does it actually describe it. No, it doesn't describe what it is. It just leads you to believe it's just a cherry ice cream. It's a good one.